Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemonade diet. Mix fresh lemon juice, measured water, a controlled sweetener, sea salt, and cayenne to form the cleanse base. Sip small, measured portions throughout the day and alternate with plain water to stay hydrated. Rest when needed and stop if you feel faint, dizzy, or excessively fatigued. Always check with a healthcare professional before starting any restrictive cleanse. Start with fresh lemons for the best flavor and nutrient profile, and measure each ingredient precisely using clear portions. Use filtered water and a low-calorie sweetener if desired to control calories without sacrificing taste. Add a pinch of sea salt and a dash of cayenne for mineral balance and a metabolic kick. Sip small portions every 1 to 2 hours, prioritize plain water between servings, and listen to your energy and mood as key signals. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support this channel and future guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for the lemonade diet because it keeps drinks cold, is leak-free, and fits cup holders easily. I use it for measured servings and to remind myself to hydrate between portions. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep safety first by checking blood sugar and blood pressure before starting, especially if you have diabetes or hypertension. Limit the cleanse to short periods and avoid mixing it with strenuous exercise or heavy alcohol use to reduce risk. If you experience faintness, dizziness, or extreme fatigue, stop immediately and consult a healthcare professional. Maintain hydration with plain water, consider a balanced snack if hunger persists, and track symptoms daily for safety.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.